Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the VPN on your Opera mobile browser and how to use the VPN. It has been default feature of the Opera mobile browser, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use a Opera VPN, or how to turn on the VPN, or how to enable the VPN in your Opera mobile browser. So first of all, you just need to click on the profile icon on the bottom section, this section, and just swipe up to open this or click on this icon, and you will see a lot of options here. And here the first option called VPN, just click this and the data saving will be switched off if you are using the VPN and got it. Now you can see the VPN has been turned on. Use VPN for private tab only. You can just enable this if you just want it. And you can just see the countries, the and some countries has been a premium version, so you can just change to America, Asia and Europe and optimal. So you can just search the country on the top. This is how you just use VPN on your Opera mobile browser. It's a default feature of the Opera mobile browser. You can just turn it off just like a click. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.